NiLight emergency dash strobe lights in. I got 2 sets. All my glasses on, I guess that means amber. I'm gonna open up and we'll be right back. Here we go, we got the bracket, wow. Bracket, the light of the light, the controller, looks like an instruction booklet, suction cups, what I don't see is a little gel sticky disc like the no brand Chinese ones I had, but these do have the flasher pad. So this little piece here will keep it from reflecting back in your eyes, so they just feel like they're plastic, but they are made by NiLight, which is a good reputable company for LED lightings. So I guess I got to get everything out of the box, get it partially assembled, and then maybe take it out to the Jeep and see if I can get it installed. Okay, so I got them installed on my Jeep. I got pattern number 5. This is the one I think I like. That one little wiper is getting in the way of the arm, but hopefully the camera's not getting washed out. Definitely bright. I think those will help out on any public service event. Walkathon, bikeathon, Vermont 50, Queechee Mini Marathon, Vermont 100. Never done the Proudy, but maybe I should volunteer for that one as well. If you hear a rattle, that's my catalytic converter shield. I either got to fix it or tear it off. Anyways. Here they are off. I think you can really see through the windshield is the suction cups. Here they are on the back of the Jeep. That's through the tinted window help right there. Look how blinding they are now. Yeah, these are bright. So what I did is I screwed them up to the molding up there with a sheet metal screw and a finishing washer. I gotta get a mini screwdriver. I have one somewhere, but my daughter's got my other Jeep, so I'll just buy another one. They're only a couple bucks. And I gotta screw those on so they're level. I think they're pretty much level now. Actually, I think the right side could come up a little bit. This side here could come up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, I'll get them all finished up. The tabs, suction cups to the windshield weren't working, so I got a piece of 1x5 pine board, 1x6, whatever. A couple spacers, 1x1 or 2x1. Light brackets melted to that, and then those bolted down. And I'm just gonna have to snug them up in place out in the Jeep. This is gonna fit up in the pocket on the dash. These are gonna mount down in the little pocket in front of the shifter. Got double-side tape for both of them. And then they go into a double cigarette lighter plug into the outlet. And this should hold it a lot more secure. Also have some double-sided tape underneath this piece here. So everything should be as secure as I can get it. It's off on like a 45. Dead on. Holy shit, man. And 45. Only thing I don't have is side strobes on the side, but that can be easily remedied. Yeah. Okay, so there's my bracket I got up on the dash. A little bit of double-sided tape holding the board into the pocket. The two controllers are here. Cablers is just kind of like tucked down. I gotta untangle those, mess those up, tie them up, tuck them up underneath the seat, make them more clean and appropriate. I gotta also unzip that one and hide that down through, and gotta clean up some cables, but that'll be another day project. But there you go, it's all installed. One's in the back. Up there just kind of hanging. We're all set for public service events.